አኮኩሉ ፋሚሊ የመረጃ የምክርና የአውታረ መረብ መድረክ ነው። ለእናንተ ጠቃሚ የሆኑ መረጃዎችን በጤና፣ በትምህርት፣ በንግድና በተለያዩ የማህበራዊ ጉዳዮች ይዘላችሁ ይቀርባል። Yes, we filed the lawsuit. We filed the lawsuit on CBP because CBP is not enforcing the law. It's a federal law of Florence protection to protect any immigrant child that crosses the U.S. border and come into the refugee of the United States. The United States stated that this law applies to any minor, any child, immigrant or non-immigrant living in the United States, but it's unbelievable. Kids are sleeping in open air detention, OADS, open air detention centers. To your surprise, they don't have adequate food, they don't have medical care, they don't have anywhere to sleep. They're sleeping on a dirt, on a mountain of trash. Because of that unsanitary condition, they are getting sick. So the law has to be in effect to protect these immigrant kids, to protect the young babies that are coming with their parents, crossing the border into the United States. This is what NCYL, National Center for Youth Law, stating in the suitcase. In the suit, it says that United States, CBP especially, willfully ignored the law and kept these minors in the detention center. When they were asked why they do that, why they do not enforce the law, you know what they said? CBP said that, oh, these minors, these immigrant minors are not under U.S. custody. What does it mean it's not in the U.S. custody? CBP rounds them up from the border, lines them up, gives them direction not to leave the detention center. What does it mean? They are under direct care of the CBP, the U.S. government. So this is really absurd. So the law has to be enforced. This is the lawsuit stating. In one situation, 2 minors, they went into shock due to severe cold weather and they were admitted to the hospital. Others, they came down with respiratory problems, respiratory health issues, other health issues. And when CBP was asked to call 911, you know what they say to them, to the minors? Oh, you guys are faking it just to leave the detention center. So you lose the chance to file for asylum. So we're not allowing you to leave the detention center. This is absurd. This is unheard of. This is unseen in the United States soil. In the United States government's care, this is happening. Some kids, when they could not tolerate this heavy rain, cold weather, they seek refuge in toilets, overflowing stinky toilets. They seek refuge under the pile of rubbish or dirt because they have no way to go. This is an open air detention center. So many kids came down with infection issues. No food, no drink, no shelter, no clothing. How is the United States government caring for these immigrants? So, NCYL says that in collaboration with the youth advocates, in collaboration with child privacy and safety advocates, we filed the lawsuit. They filed the lawsuit, and we're waiting for the results. Hopefully, the conditions for these minors will be improving very soon, and they should be allowed to stay in a shelter where they can get appropriate medical care, where they can get the necessary food and shelter and clothing and any necessary care that they deserve as children. ዌብሳይታችንን አኮልኩል ፋሚሊ ዳት ካምን ይጎብኙ። በሶሻል ሚዲያም ተከተሉን።